Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olsen and today we're drawing UNICORSE. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today we're drawing UNICORSE. This is one of my favorite characters of the cartoon Bluey. He's super funny. We're gonna start doing here in the middle of the paper. We're gonna start with the eye, and he has big eyes, so we're gonna start doing here a circle. And inside we're gonna do a half a circle on the right side. On the top of the eye, we're gonna do an eyebrow, and it's gonna go to the side and going around the eye and passing the eye on the left side. From this line, we're gonna do the first arm, and it's gonna go out to the left, and it's gonna look like a big letter C. And I'm going to stop at the same level or the line that I did here on the eye, okay? At the end here, we're gonna put a curve to mark the hoofs. And from the end of this curve here, I'm gonna go down to do the body. From this corner, I'm gonna extend my line and curve down, just like this, and it marks better the arm. In behind this line we did of the eye, we're gonna do here, going down and connect with the arm, and inside we're gonna do another curve just to make it look like the ears. Now let's continue on the top. We're gonna do the mouth of the unicorn. I'm gonna go up a little here on the eye. I'm doing a little curve. And from this curve, I'm gonna do a bigger one until I reach to the middle of the eye. So I'm gonna rotate my paper a little. I'm gonna start doing my curve going kind of like up. I'm going down and I'm stop right there, passing a little bit the eye, about a finger space after the eye. We're gonna do another letter U. Now this time it's going point down, and I'm gonna do here a letter U, and I'm going in. The mouth is open, so I'm gonna part here on the middle. I'm gonna do a line that goes to the left. And from this end, I'm gonna go up doing a half a circle. And this one is gonna come down, doing another curve, and it's smaller, and make sure that you leave a space between these two lines. Let's continue with the little bit of a beard that he has. So I'm gonna do a little curve on the left side and a little curve on the right side. I'm gonna join them with 3 more curves underneath these lines. So I'm gonna do one. The one in the middle is gonna be really long. And the last one. And before I close here, doing another curve, and it's a smaller one. Let's do the other arm. So if I start from this corner, I'm going up a little, and I'm doing a curve. And at the end, I'm doing another curve, mark the hoof. I'm gonna finish the body doing a curve that goes around to the right, and I'm gonna connect here with the beard. Inside, we're gonna do a U shape, upside down letter U for the tummy. And if your beard gets like in the way, you can just pass the line in behind. Now let's do the horn on the top where I did this curve here next to the eye, and I'm gonna do a letter B, kind of a very wavy letter B. And I'm gonna do 3 letter U's from here. I'm gonna do 1, a bigger one, 2, and the last one is not centered. The last one is actually a little bit to the right. So we're gonna do that, and that's the last one. The last thing here up here is gonna be the hair. So I'm gonna start here on the top of the mouth, doing a curve that goes in behind the horn, and it goes up a little. From here, I'm gonna do a curve, then another curve going out a little and up, and I want to fit 2 more curves here, 1 and in behind 2. The hair is showing underneath the arm, so I'm going to start doing 1 little curve. Now from here I'm doing points, so I'm going to do 1 curve and then a point, and we're going to do the last one that is going to be the bigger one. It goes out a little and it almost connects with the character. And I'm gonna do a last one here. The last detail we're gonna do here is gonna do the hand of the dog that is going inside the character. We're gonna do a line that goes down. And we're gonna leave a little bit of a space in between the two sides. And there, that's it. We finished this character that is UNICORSE from BLUEY. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color! Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how UNICORSE look like with the colors. We were looking for colors that match the character. This is the hand of the dad that it goes inside, and I wait until the color was dry so I can pass one more time underneath here so it gets a little bit of shade. The same up here and on the hair. I use two different tones of blue, and the same with the gray. I use a dark gray and I leave it white on the bottom. So, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time!